Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to assemble in a forensic engine and also animated it in Solidworks software. Before going to start, I'm requesting everybody, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. Okay, now I'm going to start a new videos which will be the assemble of a forensic engine. Now I'm taking a new file and assemble is selected. Okay, after that I'm cross it, then taking the units mmgs. After that I'm going to the insert component browser. Then I'm taking the crankshaft which I have uh, watched in previous videos. Now click on this face and right button click, and I'm taking it to the plot. When it will be plot, then it will be not change. Then I'm going to the right plane, normal, and I'm going here, going to the center line, sketching a center line here to here. That means click OK. Then taking a line, sketching a few lines. One, that means click OK. Again taking a line, another line, again, then again, stop. So again, taking the line, then again another line. Okay, done. Then selecting all lines by pressing the control from the keyboard. Okay. Then construction geometry selected. Now see. After that, going to the smart dimension and determine the dimension from here to here, 156 millimeter. Before I'm going to select this line to this line, 140, 114, and also this lines to this lines distance is 114, and this one to this one is also 114. And this one to this one is 91 millimeters, and the distance from here to here 156 millimeters. Okay, done. Then exit here and separated this portion from this line. Then going to the assemble and mat is selected. Oh, another work is here done. Before going here, okay, tracing this line and make it horizontal. Then okay, then exit it. Then it's separated from this sketch. Going to the mat, then click here and click on this line, concentric, and this one is a concentric. Okay. After that, selecting this point, end point, and selecting this space. Now see, concentric. Okay. Then see what happened. Rotating or not? Yes, it's rotating. Rotating. Okay, now control 7. uh, I'm taking up to here. Okay, done. Then I'm going to the insert and insert components. All components I will take, and I will take the connecting rod cap, connecting rod, and piston ring, piston pin and piston ring, and also piston. Now done. One component, another component, another component, another component, another component. Okay, done. After that, I'm going to the piston. Piston is here, and taking the front plane as the control, and also going to the piston pin. Here, piston pin is a piston pin. Piston is here. Click, and also front plane. Then go to the mate, and it will be match each other. Then okay. After that, click on this inside and click on this piston pin, and center is selected. Then okay. Then I see. Okay. After that, going to the mat, click on this outside of the space, and on this space, outside of the space. One click, then another click on this space and on this space. Then concentric. Okay. See. Then click here. Okay. And go to here. Uh, go to the insert components and copy with mats. Then click this edge, this components, and going here, select this one, and one click is here, another click is here, pressing control. See, it's done. Then okay. Again, one click on this space, pressing control, another click on this. Then okay, press it. Now see. After that, going to the mat. Before going here, I want to do another walk. Going to the move and rotate the components. I want to rotate it. Okay. Then exit here. Then going to the mat. Then click on this portion. Another click on this portion and concentric is okay. Done. Then again selecting this portion and selecting this. Before going to another problem, click here and click here again. Okay, I want to do another work. The piston only the connecting rod, or the connecting rod here. Connecting rod is here. Front plane and connecting rod cap is also front plane. Then mat. Okay. After that, click on this portion and click on this portion and concentric. Okay, and another click on this portion and another click on this portion, then inside. Okay, done. Watching this one, then going to the connecting rod and front plane, going to the piston is here, the piston is also front plane, and going to the mat, done. Then click on the inside of this piston, first one is click, then click on this piston and another click on this piston pin. I'm connecting rod and piston pin, then concentric. Okay, this one is done. After that, going to the mat, first click, second click on this crankshaft and concentric, then going to okay, then going to the advance and which is selected, then this face click here and another click on this face. After that, click on this side and click on this side. Now see, then okay, after that click on this body of this piston and click on this line and it will be concentric. Okay, now what happened? See, again, see. Now I want to take this move, so going to the mat, advance. Before going here, I want to do another work. Going to the copy with mats and click all bodies. First click and this one, and this one, and also this one. All are selected. Then going here and click with, and I want to press here this side. Another click on this face, on this face. Now see, this one is creating. Going here and click on this crankshaft, then another click on this line. Now done. Similarly click on this width and click on this face and another click on this face. Okay, see, after that click on this upper one and click on this crankshaft and another click on this line. Okay, then again going to the width, click on this side, another click on this side. Again, see, then going here and click on this crankshaft. Okay, see, then another click on this line. Now see, all are created. Okay, then proceed. Now see what happened. Now I can repeat it. Then what happens? See again. Then click here and hide it. Then see. Okay, now I want to animate it this one. So after this, you are watching. Then I'm going to the motion studies. Then going to the settings. I'm taking this one is 50. Then okay. After that, going to the moto and setting this one. I'm taking the RPM is 50, or I can take it just 60. Okay, done. See, then going here and I'm taking up to this one is 10 seconds. Okay, then calculate it first. Wait, it's taking time for calculating. Wait a few seconds for taking calculation up to 10 seconds. And one things I'm mentioning everybody, if you want to draw whole holistic engine, you have to see others videos, I mean the previous videos, how to draw crankshaft, piston pin, piston ring. Okay, I think done. Calculation is done after 10 seconds. So now we can start to motion study. See, its rotation RPM is 60. Again, see. Uh, Again, I want to show it over. Now, start. Okay, done. Now, again, I want to show this way. Uh, this way I want to show it. See. Well, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share, and also press the bell icon to get the new videos.